Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy ramp crypto token on Binance. First, let's go into the app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on deposit, and from there you can choose to either deposit crypto token from a different wallet, or you can tap on cash and choose to use your debit or credit card to make the deposit, depending on the country that you're living in. Me, personally, I'm living in the Caribbean, so I would normally buy the crypto token on cex.io, for instance, XRP, and then transfer it to this wallet, the Binance wallet, and then convert the XRP to cash, to USDT, to do the purchase. Anyways, after you have done the deposit or transfer, you're going to tap on trade, and right where you see AAVE/BNB, you're going to tap on that, and you're going to type in ramp, and I'll be using the pair of ramp/USDT, and you can see the current price is 0.1750. You'll see the available amount of USDT right where you see 18.36 on my screen, and from there you can choose whether you want to use 50% of the money that you have, which would be $9, or 100%, which would be everything. And after you have selected the amount you're willing to spend, you're going to tap on buy ramp, and you'll see order created. And once the order is fulfilled, you will tap on your wallets in the bottom right hand corner, and you will see it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.